Hey trucks, don't do that!
Wow, this is better! Balloons!
Help! I can't stop! Time to show Sir Topmat how much better diesels are than steamies. But rather than follow a complicated plan, this time I'll just do my jobs really well. That'll show him. Look sir, look how early I am for work.
Well done, Diesel. I'm very impressed. You're the second train to arrive at work today.
Yes, I'm amazing. Wait, what? Second train? Who beat me here? Hello Diesel, you're here early. You must be a hard worker like me. Oh, Hiro beat me here. Well, I'll just have to do more work than him today to prove how good diesels are. Look sir, you told me to pull only 2 trucks, but because I'm such a hard-working diesel, I'm pulling 3 trucks instead.
Keep up the good work, Diesel. I'm very impressed.
Yes, you are working very hard today. Wait, what? He's pulling how many trucks? That's just showing off. He must be very strong to pull all of them and not lose control. Oh, I'll have to outdo Hiro another way.
Oh, I need a new ball.
Is everything okay, Funling?
Hi, Diesel. No, I was playing basketball with some other funlings when the ball popped.
Oh dear. Well, it's your lucky day, because in one of my cargoes is a brand new basketball, and I want you to have it.
Really? Oh, thank you, Diesel. You're the best.
Why, yes I am, Funling. Thanks for noticing.
That was very kind of you, Diesel.
Well, sir, I'm just trying to be the most useful engine on Sodor.
Hiro, you're the best. What?
Huh?
Wow! Amazing! Thanks, Hiro.
Happy to help you all. Hope you enjoy your new goggles, Diver Funling.
I will.
Enjoy your new hat, Funling. And I hope you find lots of treasure with that new shovel explorer, Funling.
Thanks for the hose, Hiro.
And the treasure map. We're going to be rich.
No problem, everyone. I'm just happy that you're happy. Oh, I help out 1 Funling, and then Hiro helps out 7? This isn't fair. I need to outdo him at something. If I can't do anything better than Hiro, I'll just have to do exactly what he did. Ooh, Diesel, I wouldn't pull that many trucks. You'll lose control. But I'm just as useful as you, so if you can pull them, so can I. Watch. Oh, see? Easy.
Wow, he's doing it. Very impressive. Well done, Diesel. I'm full of balloons.
I'm just as useful as you.
I didn't think he could pull all of us, but wow. Whee! Well done, Diesel. Balloons! Okay, trucks, Diesel has proved his point. Let's have some fun. Yeah! Push!
Hey, trucks, don't do that.
Whee! Wow, this is better. Balloons!
Help, I can't stop. Oh no, Diesel's in trouble. I've got to help him.
Yeehaw! Anyone want a balloon?
I'll slow you down, Diesel.
Uh-oh, here comes Hiro to save the day.
Right, brake. I can't.
Whee! Balloons.
Phew, Thanks for stopping me, Hiro. No problem, Diesel. Oh, why do you always have to do everything better than me? What? I'm not trying to outdo you. I'm just trying to be as useful as I can possibly be. So, you're just trying to do everything as well as you can? Yes, you can't ask for more than that. I guess not. Oh, but with you around, I'll never impress Sir Topham Hatt. What? No, you really impressed him today. You put a lot of effort into your jobs, and you can't ask for more than that. Really? He was impressed with me? Oh, good! I guess today was a success after all. Thomas likes to think of himself as a really useful engine. So he was a bit disappointed when he was put on truck duty.
We don't really like you. You'll have to find other trucks to use.
Hey, be quiet! It'll take me ages to shunt all of these trucks. And then... Whoa! Who was that? Hi, Thomas. Need some help? Oh yes, please, Boco. I'm quite good at shunting trucks. Want me to shunt them all for you? Oh yes, please, if you don't mind. It's no problem at all. Thomas was happy. He didn't have to shunt trucks anymore. He could get on with his next job. Delivering some party supplies to 2 funlings. I'm here! Now then, there was a lot of party supplies, so I've got some more trucks to bring.
Thanks, Thomas.
Need these?
What?
Here you are. I've got the rest of your party supplies. All 6 trucks.
Wow, thanks, Boco.
All of them? But aren't you supposed to be shunting my trucks? Well, I finished that job, and I thought I could help you with this job too. But I'm the really useful engine.
Well, our party guests need picking up from the station. You could do that.
Okay, I'll pick them up. Thomas was not happy. Boco was outdoing him at all of his jobs. So he picked up Annie and Clarabelle. But when he got to the station... Boco! Hi Thomas, I thought I could help you pick up these guests. But it doesn't need 2 of us to do that. Oh, sorry. I was only trying to help. I'll let you take them. But all the funlings boarded Boco's coach. Oh, they're in my coach. Well, I may as well take them now. Bye. And off he went. Boco's not letting me do any of my jobs.
But Thomas, he's only trying to help.
No, he's trying to replace me.
He's not trying to replace you, he's trying to help you.
But Thomas wasn't happy, and then he had an idea how he could stop Boco from replacing him. The next day, Thomas's first job was to deliver lots of trucks, but he'd specifically asked for the truck leader himself, Scruffy. So, you know what to do, Scruffy? Yeah, I need to slow Boco down. Got it. Hello, Thomas. Need any help with these trucks? Oh yes, please, Boco. Could you take all of them? All of them? Okay. So Boco coupled up to Scruffy and pulled all of the trucks. Haha, I'm sure Scruffy will slow Boco down. And the trucks soon became very troublesome.
Cows go moo and ducks go quack. We can push Boco off the track.
Push him off the track? No, I just want them to slow him down so he doesn't bother me today. Oh no, what have I done? Ha ha ha, come on trucks, we can push him till he loses control. Ha ha ha. And soon enough, Boco couldn't stop. Oh no, I've got to help Boco. The trucks led Boco down a winding track.
Cows go moo and ducks go quack. We can push Boco off the track.
And towards some tunnels.
Nice one, Trucks. That's job well done. Pushing Boco off the track was so much fun.
Boco, are you okay? Yeah, I think so. Sorry, Boco, this is all my fault. I just wanted the trucks to slow you down. Slow me down? Why? Well, you were doing everything for me yesterday. I wanted to prove that I could do my jobs too. Oh, sorry. I was just trying to help. I know, Boco. I should have been more grateful. Now then, let's get you back on the track. And Thomas pulled Boco out of the tunnel. Phew, thanks Thomas. No problem. Oh no, now I'm late. I've got lots of trucks to shunt and I've got passengers to pick up. Well, I can help you out if you want. I'd like that, Boco. So Thomas and Boco worked together. Boco shunted the trucks, while Thomas picked up his passengers. And together they got the jobs done nice and quickly. Toby had the day off and he wanted to spend it helping other people with their jobs.
So Toby, what are you going to do today?
I'm going to help out other people with their jobs.
Really? Even though you're an old, slower, weaker engine?
Yes, I'm still useful and I'll prove it today. Hello there, Thomas. Do you need any help with your jobs today? No thank you, Toby. I'll be fine. Really? I could carry one of those heavy trucks for you? Well, unlike you, I'm a strong engine. I can pull all 6 of these at once. Just watch me. Oh well, I'm sure someone else will want my help.
Oh no, the pirate fundlings have taken that treasure! Someone, help!
I can stop them.
Oh, Toby, actually, you know what? I think I'll be alright.
What? But I can stop them.
Well, I was actually looking for someone a bit faster to help me.
But you don't need speed if you're wise like me.
Wise? Pfft. You know what? I'll just chase them in the Funding Express.
Oh, surely someone will want my help. Oh, hello, Queen Funling.
Well, hello there, Toby.
Would you like me to take you somewhere, Your Majesty?
No, thank you, Toby. I do need taking somewhere, but I'll wait for a faster train.
Oh, okay.
Hello, Your Majesty.
Oh, Caitlin, you'll do. Can you take me into town, please?
Oh, everyone thinks I'm old and slow and useless.
I don't think you're old, slow and useless, Toby.
Oh, thanks, Caitlin.
Would you like a race? First one into town wins. Ready, go!
Caitlin, ah, silly train, she left me behind.
I can take you into town, Queen Funling.
Well, you're much slower than Caitlin, but you'll have to do.
Let's go!
Haha, you can't keep up, Toby.
Slow down, Caitlin. You forgot Queen Funling.
Aha, I win. Too slow.
Caitlin.
I win, Toby.
Yes, but you forgot something very important.
Yes, you forgot me.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Your Majesty.
So you should be. Thank you for taking me, Toby.
You're welcome, Queen Funling.
Oh no.
What was that?
Ah, I knew I shouldn't have gone around that corner so fast. Ah, looks like the pirate fundlings will get away with the treasure.
Not if I can help it.
Uh-oh. Oh wow! Great plan, Toby! I'll take the treasure. So much flour! Oh no! Where's the treasure? It's gone, Captain! No! Haha! Yes! We've got it back! Thanks, Toby!
You're welcome. Help!
We pushed them out of control!
I'll save you, Thomas. Help! Toby took a shortcut to try and get ahead of Thomas. And his plan worked.
Uh-oh! Oh no! What's Toby doing?
Brake, Thomas! Phew! Thanks for stopping me, Toby.
That was fun. Let's do it again!
No problem, Thomas. Sorry I said you weren't a strong engine earlier.
And I'm sorry for saying you were too slow.
And I'm sorry for doubting your ability to catch the pirate funlings.
That's okay, everyone. I may be old and slow, but I'm still a very useful engine.
Whee! Uh-oh. Oh no, my car has broken down. Oh, Thomas can help me.
Hi, Rockstar Funling.
Hi, Thomas. Please can you take my car to fix it, Funling? It broke down.
Of course I can. So Thomas loaded the car onto his truck and headed for Fix-It Funling's workshop. On the way, he stopped for a quick drink when something zoomed past him. I only know one train who can go that fast. It must be Hugo. Hello, Thomas. Hi, Hugo. I see you're just as fast as ever. Just be careful with that propeller of yours. Of course, I'm always careful. See you later. Bye, Hugo. But nearby.
Alright, pirates. There's some treasure hidden somewhere over here. Let's find it. Captain? Not behind the rock. Come on, you two. Look for it. But Captain, it's just here. Oh? Oh yes. Haha, good. Now we just need a train to take it back to our ship. Shall I call Diesel 10? No, he's too slow. We need a much faster engine than him.
Did someone say fast engine?
Huh? Who are you?
I'm Hugo, a rail zeppelin. I'm really fast.
Oh, excellent. Well, go get a truck to put the treasure on and let's go.
Oh, I can't pull any trucks.
What? Why not? You have a coupling.
I had that installed so I could try to pull trucks, but my propeller is too strong. It always blows the contents of the trucks away.
Oh, well that makes you pretty useless then, doesn't it? We'll wait for the next train.
Hugo thought that the pirate funlings were right. He was pretty useless, so sadly he left.
Should we call Diesel 10 now? No, that's Thomas. He can help us. Go put something on the track so he has to stop.
So they put a log on the track, but Thomas didn't see the log.
Oops.
Why'd you do that?
We didn't mean to derail you. Oh, what's this I see? Huh? That's Rockstar Funling's car.
Hey, don't touch that.
This is much more valuable than the treasure. Let's take it instead.
So they called Diesel 10 and they loaded the car onto his truck.
Thanks for the car. Goodbye.
Oh no, how am I going to get that back? Luckily. Thomas, are you alright? Hugo, the pirate Funlings have taken Rockstar Funling's car. Please can you help me get it back? I don't know if I can. I'm not a very useful engine. Yes you are, Hugo. You're the fastest engine I know. I wish I could go half as fast as you. You're right, Thomas. I can catch up with them. I'll get the car back. And he zoomed off after the pirate Funlings. But they'd already made it to the beach.
There. Thanks, Diesel. Haha, we made it.
Hey, what's going on?
Oh, Diver Funling. We're, fixing Rockstar Funling's car for him.
Oh, that's very nice of you. Good luck.
He believed us.
You won't get away with this.
What? Oh, look, it's the useless engine.
I'm not useless. I'm here to save the day.
Huh?
And Hugo spun his propeller as quickly as he could.
Uh-oh.
Yes, I did it! Oh, Diver Funling!
Yes? Oh, hello, Hugo.
The pirate Funlings weren't really fixing Rockstar Funling's car, so I got it back. But how can I take it back to Thomas?
I have an idea.
And they put the car on the track so Hugo could push it to Thomas.
Ow.
I'm back! Yes, Hugo, you did it! See, you are a very useful engine. Thanks for believing in me, Thomas. So Fix-It Funling repaired the car.
There, all good. Thanks, Fix-It Funling.
So Rockstar Funling had his car back. And it was all thanks to Hugo.